Me, 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 me.
Gotta get your voice
ringing.
right. From what?
I don't know. Probably that being close.
Oh! Keep it cool. Sorry, guys. We're over here. Maddie's got a new rig. The old gone to town rig. Something to haul the family, the dog, all my engines.
No.
I mean, not that. This is her 2019 GMC Yukon XL. The XL stands for extra something. It's got the old 5.3 LS engine in it. So later on, when it gets up to 250,000 miles, we can put a turbo and nitrous on it, make 1,000 horsepower, and that's all she wrote. But for right now, we're going to keep it as the only car that doesn't leak anything on the driveway. Although I don't think the Raptor does. What?
About damn time.
About time. You see how she treats me? She's going to be going up to Maryland, and that's quite a far drive for an old lady to...
Old?
That's quite a long drive for a young lady to make in a vehicle that only has 8% oil life in it. So, she wants to change the oil on it. I'm going to walk her along because I'm a good teacher. And
we'll see about that.
We're going to get it done. All right, I'm going to fish the jack underneath. Give Maddie a good spot to start lifting on.
We'll see if I fail or not.
All right, Maddie. Grab the reins. Let me get out here before you drop a car on my neck.
I wouldn't do that on camera. Keep going?
Yeah, I can't fit under there.
Oh, jeez.
Keep going.
Freaked out because my car's being tipped.
All right, you're good. If you could move out the way. I'll put the jack stand so that
I wasn't going
you're not
to.
responsible. All right, Maddie's got to get her gloves on. She don't want to get dirty. Here's our little guest appearance.
Look at that.
That's the little girl.
We're going to take a cross fit. Watch this.
Maddie, you nervous about being on the car when it's lifted up?
No. I'm nervous that you'll be under it.
You have to choose your weapon.
What weapon?
Jesus.
Sorry.
That's better.
Sorry, horrible toolbox that doesn't get used.
Okay, so pick your weapon. No, that's too big. Yeah, that'll work. And
We'll have to take these. Won't we have to take them?
Yeah, grab the whole thing.
I know, I'm trying to put it back.
Those two you won't need. This car doesn't use Freedom units. These are in commie units. So just leave them off. You don't need them. There you go. Now we're ready to do some work. You forgot one more tool for your arsenal.
I don't know.
It's second drawer from the bottom.
That's the bottom.
Second drawer from the bottom on the top box.
Why don't you say the fourth
Easy,
drawer?
easy.
This thing.
Oh, dude, get the other one. Get the claw.
Well, at least I knew which one you're asking.
You did. You knew. Let's get to work. How do you start every oil change there, Maddie?
Popping the hood.
By popping the hood.
Draining it. Okay, new car. Still don't know where the hood thing is.
All right, Maddie. First pro tip. Pop open that oil cap. Oh, you need the ladder. It's okay. I'll come rescue you.
You're not that much taller than me.
Just in reach.
No.
What size was that you grabbed?
13.
Okay, that's probably going to be like a 15 then.
17. Reminds me of how many different phalanges there are. Only women will know what that is.
All right, that's probably it. You got it. I'm gonna put that on.
Okay, but how's the best way to do this?
Like that. Okay, hold up.
Oh, Jesus.
Maddie couldn't reach from the other side and didn't want to crawl underneath this way because she's afraid the car was going to fall on her, which, rightfully so. I don't want Fat Mo falling on me. He's a big guy. So, when this plug is tight like this, you take your old beating mitt, give her a good whack. And I don't have gloves on. So this is about to get messy. When you start feeling it get loose, keep pushing it in and then bloop.
I did better on the CJ5.
I don't even remember. That was like a million years ago.
I didn't get anything on my hands.
That's impressive. I don't remember. That's impressive though if you did. All right, now we gotta get the oil sorter off. And let's see if I can get it off with my mitts. And I can't.
It's supposed to be only hand tight.
Maddie read the brochure.
No. I remember when we dealt with your Mustang.
Oh yeah, chiseling it off. Mm-hmm. It's okay. It's nothing the old claw can't handle. Oh, we're just gonna let that drip a little bit.
It was white, now it's dark.
Completely black. There goes this thing not dripping any oil. It's gonna be dripping off the cross member. There we go. Cut! You tell the people what oil you're gonna run in this thing.
Pennzoil.
Because?
It has high mileage and it's full synthetic, and this is the correct
weight.
What is that? That stands
Called the weight,
for?
yeah. But why'd you choose the Pennzoil?
Because it's cheap.
Because it's the cheapest one.
And they're all pretty much the same. It doesn't matter. And this is high mileage, Walmart brand, Super Tech.
Super duper tech with an Acdelco filter.
Again, cheap.
Cheap.
$9.
Cheap.
$26.
So Maddie, tell them, don't freak out over what oil you're putting in your car. Most oils nowadays, you don't have to worry about it. Actually, look up Project Farms on YouTube. He has a video showing that the Super Tech is pretty damn good. We got to lube up the gasket a little bit so we get some of the old oil on there.
Can't forget about the lubrication.
And, all right, Maddie, this is a family show.
Hand tight.
Hand tight. Just enough to get your mitts on it. Good. Take the plug. It's been dripping for a little bit, so it should be good. Spin her on. Where's the ratchet?
Oh, you left it over here.
Over where?
Over here.
Where's here?
Like on this side.
Oh.
Ratchet's over here. And he's over there.
Oh, well, slide it to me. You're right there. Give this old girl nice little squeeze. And we're done underneath. All right, Maddie had to borrow the old Stepper Upper 750.
That still has tags on it.
That still has the tags on it because I was going to return it after last Christmas. But turns out we need it quite a bit. Probably need to step up another one. You're going to be okay.
Not
I
very
promise.
sturdy. Isn't it best to put it tilted this way?
Yeah. I mean, that's fine. Yeah. Oh, you knew that one. That was good. As long as you get it in the funnel, it don't matter how you pour it in.
Okay, well, I'm going to twist it around or something.
Let's see. Oh, did you drip any? There you go. All right, we're done. That's it. So Maddie managed to pour a good bit on, everything, but it's okay. We're gonna make sure.
My baby.
We're gonna make sure that gets properly recycled. All right, Maddie, the oil's in. Now you just gotta check the old dipper. Yep. Okay, we're good. Probably a little bit full, but
Yeah, because wasn't it past it?
Yeah, a little bit past, but You know, a little extra never hurt no one.
He'll be good for that Maryland trip, I guess.
Yeah, let's just drop this thing down and get it started. All right, let's see if your hard work paid off. Good start. Where's your oil pressure gauge? Oh, far right. Yep, you got the pressures. Now reset that. You're gonna hold or click the right arrow. Click reset. Done. First oil change. Now back it up so I can get my tools from underneath. I thought this was gonna be Maddie doing the work today. Looks like I still got put with the dirty stuff.
I
But
found my way.
Maddie did what she could, and that's all that matters. Fat Mo's got new sauce in him, so he'll go. It's all good. How'd you like doing an oil change on Fat Mo?
I don't mind doing oil changes. They're really easy.
Maddie's in it for the long haul. She's gonna be keeping this thing for a while, so she's gonna make sure it's all kept up to date. Fluids are topped off, air
No
filters
trash
clean.
left in the car.
No trash left in the car.
We're going to keep it. No blowing up this engine.
If we had it up on ramps, would you have felt more comfortable getting underneath and doing it?
Yes.
Maddie did not like the Jackson jack stands. Thought it was a little sketch, but
I remember what happens
Yeah.
one time with you.
that was, I had a Hobo Freight jack stand fall on me one time. That was not fun, that's for sure.
GMC's good. Fat Mo's good.
Fat Mo's good. Maddie's good. I'm good. We didn't kill each other. Still happily married. Let us know how you liked seeing Maddie do stuff. If you want to see more of her, she can take you for a ride and explain everything about the car. She'll do a little car review like all the other big YouTubers are doing. And yeah,
Maybe do some car stuff with his Mustang over here with the new engine going in.
maybe she'll build the engine. Not really. But remember, guys, keep doing what you're doing and go get them revs.